Unlock your income potential by transforming your words into cash with Copy.ai. In this tutorial, we'll dive deep into how to leverage the power of Copy.ai to generate income, focusing on offering top-tier copywriting services as a freelancer. First, identify your niche. Copy.ai is incredibly versatile, capable of generating blog posts, social media updates, sales copy, website content, and so much more. Let's say you want to offer blog writing services. You can use Copy.ai's blog post wizard. Simply input your topic and some keywords, and the AI will generate outlines, intros, and even complete sections for you. This dramatically speeds up the content creation process, allowing you to take on more clients and deliver work faster. Now, how do you monetize this? Create service packages. Offer different pricing based on the length and complexity of the content you'll produce. Market your services on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn. Highlight that you use AI tools to ensure efficient, high-quality output. Beyond blog posts, think about creating compelling marketing materials for clients. Need ad copy for a Facebook campaign? Copy.ai excels at crafting attention-grabbing headlines and descriptions. Product descriptions for e-commerce stores are another lucrative area. Input your product features and let Copy.ai generate persuasive sales copy that converts. The key is to use Copy.ai as your ultimate assistant, enhancing your creativity and productivity to deliver exceptional marketing materials that your clients will pay premium prices for. By mastering Copy.ai, you're not just writing content. You're building a sustainable income stream. Start today.